So over here, you can see that I have an image on my canvas. And now let's see how we can use the trimming option. So let's say, for example, I'm going to resize this and keep it somewhere. So now you can see that I have a layer, but I have this excess space around. So what I may want to do is that I want to trim it out. So in order to trim it out, the process is simple. You simply go around over here on the top where it says image and click on it. And here you can see trim is an option. Once you click on trim, you can see that everything else gets trimmed out just like that. And then you just have the image. Similarly, you can go around right here. Let's say you want to trim out only this part. You can go around, keep it just like this. And then you can go around into image, trim, and you can see that that portion is trimmed out. You still have the layer though. That is because the layer is just there. It's not deleted. It's just cropped out. You can go around right here, keep it just like this. Let's say, for example, you want to trim out this excess area. You go to image and then go to trim. So go around over here, trim, and there you go. And that is how you can use the trim feature inside of Pixlr E. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe